Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. Today I'm going to show you how eyeshadow placement can be so transformative and can change your whole makeup look. On this eye, I'm going to apply the shadow to give my eye a more lifted effect, and on this eye, a more smokier effect. Both techniques are fine, it's just a matter of preference. But if you like this content, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for doing all of that. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And now let's get into it. I'm going to be using my Natasha Denona Biba palette, but you can use any palette that you'd like. The first thing I'm going to do is to take a Sigma E65. This is a fluffy brush, a transition brush. I'm going to take the shade Freckle and I'm going to apply it to my crease. And on this eye, I'm being a little sloppy. Taking a little bit more. On the other eye, I'm going to use a different brush. This is a MAC 286S. It is a fluffy transition brush, but it's a little tapered up. It's one of my favorite brushes to apply transition color. And on this eye, I'm going to be a little bit careful not to put any color right here in this area. So I'm staying away from this area, taking a little bit more. Now I'm going to clean that brush and blend up. You can already see the difference. Next, I'm going to take another fluffy brush. This is also from MAC. I don't know what it is because the label is totally rubbed off. If I can find it, I will link it in the description box. But I'm going to take this shade Cocoa, this shade, to deepen up my outer eyelid on both eyes. Now I'm taking my other brush to blend this out. On the other eye, I'm going to take a different brush. This is a ZOEVA 231. It's a little bit denser. I'm taking the same shade Cocoa, and I took a minimal amount, and I'm going to angle this at a 110 angle. So just like that. I'm going to put this right here. And again, I'm staying away from this area. And I'm taking my bigger brush to blend this out. You can already see that this eye looks a little bit more lifted, whereas this one looks a little bit more smoky. Now for the shimmer shade, I'm taking the shade Monroe. On this eye, I'm going to pretty much apply it all over the lid. Blending it out with my big fluffy brush. On this eye, I'm just going to place it wherever is blank, so halfway through, and I'm taking a minimal amount. And I'm taking my fluffy brush to blend this out. For the lower lash line, I'm taking my transition color again, Freckle. And on this eye, I'm going to apply it on the lower lash line and connect the shadow here. On this eye, I'm taking a minimal amount and I don't bother connecting the eyeshadow. Now to deepen up the outer lower lash line, I'm taking the shade Cocoa on the same brush on this eye, and just taking that shade halfway through my lower lash line. On this eye, I'm taking an eyeliner brush and I'm taking that shade Cocoa again, and I'm just pressing. And then blending that out. You can see the difference right now with no mascara on, that this eye looks a little bit more clean and lifted, whereas this one looks a little bit more smoky. Let's apply some mascara. On this eye, I'm applying the mascara pretty much all over my lashes. And I'm going to apply that on my lower lash line as well. On this eye, I'm going to coat my lashes to the side. And I'm not going to apply any mascara on my lower lash line. I'm just going to leave it at this. As you can see, this eye looks a little bit more smoky, whereas this one looks more clean and lifted. But we have come to the end of this video. There's definitely no right or wrong here. There's a place for both techniques in my life. Leave a comment below on which replacement you like the best, and thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye!